what I did was a pretty cool use case that Adrian told me. Basically, the pipeline here is we have the webhook, frame grabber, object detection filter, all this stuff. What this does is, for example, if you're an F1 racer, right? F1 takes so much money. Like you could be rich and you're still gonna need more money. So to get sponsors, you're gonna need to show the sponsors how much screen time your car gets on each race. And what our pipeline here does is, if you give it a 6-hour race footage and you give it the picture of your car, that it's going to output only the clicks of your car, that's it. So you can show it to your sponsors. So I'm just gonna run it here. You see here in config, I'm gonna try to get footage of this blue car that it doesn't get a lot of footage. So it's like super important for them to show sponsors when they do get on screen. So now I'm going to go ahead and send the footage to our pipeline. And as you can see, it's starting to run here, the graph here. And Adrian's going to tell you a bit more about how this works because he's in those circles.
Ani, first I have a question.
Yeah.
Imagine you had no RocketRide tool.
Yeah.
To set this up, how much more time had it take?
Yeah, so I'm gonna guess you're gonna probably have to do 2 or 3 Hugging Face models, and it'd probably take you 4 hours, 3 hours even with cursor, because you're gonna have to keep on editing this until it can detect the car accurately. But with RocketRide, it's probably like 2 minutes or something. You just drag the nodes.
So is it fair to say it really helped you quite a bit?
Huh?
It helped you quite a bit.
Yeah, sweet. A lot.
Cool. Let me give you a little more of a background of that use case. And it's not just in like car racing. Think about product placing. Think about how influencers are making the money. This is all about you prove to the people who give you money that what you expose is actually really exposed. And for how many seconds, and that determines how much money you get. It's very simple, right? It's no rocket science. But I have been looking for a tool like that for different reasons. And honestly, I couldn't find one that did the job. And then I told my guys, figure out whether we can solve that. And I was super impressed how quick they were pulling it off. And there's many facets of this, but no, let's just see where you got. Are you ready?
This is the result, guys. This is my hard work. So right here, blue car. This is the footage of just the blue car in the entire clip. And here, the blue car would be like, you can see it right here. It could be to the sponsors like, I'm on the screen for 12 seconds and millions of people are gonna watch me, so you guys should give me money, is basically what they should say. Also, if you are the sponsor and you paste your logo in here, you can see how much screen time your logo gets too. So you can't really see here, but this is Atlassian on the blue car.